Good morning, everyone. It's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. And yesterday I worked on some little junk journals. I'm cleaning my sign here. Anyway, I was working on some junk journals, and I like to clean everything up and then come in the morning and videotape, fresh start, and then edit and do a lot of stuff to that. So I used the Stamperia rose perfume. I like the backgrounds a lot because you can make a lot of little junk journals with it. And I think this is 8 by 8, yeah, 8 by 8 inches. But then, of course, in here it has the different tags and different stuff that you need too. So I picked out of both. So let me show you what I made. So they're all three the same inside, but the outside they're all different. So let's just open them up. This is Sari Silk. I bought, I think it was 30 cents a yard, but you have to buy quite a bit. My husband's cutting grass. And I made a video about this way back, and I just don't remember the name of the site, but I could always find it. But I think I had to buy like 20 yards, which it wasn't that bad. Anyway, so here they are. This is what I just didn't want to cover up, that beautiful print right there, so I didn't put a lot on the front of that one. And then this one, they're pop dotted and raised, and now kind of thinking if someone puts this in their purse it's gonna snag, so I kind of wish I wouldn't have. I wish I'd have just put it on there flat, because if you put this one in a purse, because it's the perfect, there's a glue flyaways, but it's the perfect size to put in a purse. With it being flat, it won't snag. So I kind of like this one better because of that, and I probably could take this off and redo it, but I'm not. So the insides are all the same, so let me just show you real fast. I have a tuck spot and then pieces, and made all the tags and copy paper. And I hope when I make these, I hope people really do use them as journals. And that has some just movement there, and this is cardstock on this one. I liked making these little hearts too. Just use a die and make my little hearts. And then just copy paper throughout, and this is all from the paper line, so it worked out really nice, a doily. Then I have these tuck spots. It's supposed to be for a Tussie Mussy, but I lay it flat and it's a perfect little tuck spot. And there's little stuff in here, but that heart is so cute. I'm gonna print this paper again and make a banner with hearts or something. And so yeah, it's truly a journal to be used. A card and a tag, and there's little notes in that card. And so you say, oh, I want to make a junk journal, but I'm not buying images or can't download. You can always use this style. And so the size of this is, once I trim and did everything, the size of this was 3.5 by 7. So it's the perfect size for a purse. But you know, if you print this, then you're going to have a lot of throwaway and trash. So if you print images and want this size, you're going to have a lot of throwaway and trash, but you can always do something with it, because that's what my next project is today, is doing something with it. So I'm going to wrap these back up, and they're going into Happy Mail. Have a blessed day.